Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back at you guys with another video, and today I have this holiday glam look for you guys, and I'm loving it. It's so different from what you guys see here on YouTube for holidays. Super easy to achieve. So this is beginner friendly if you guys are just starting out with makeup, and it's just different and I love it. I love it. So if you guys want to know how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. But before we get on with the video, I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below. So without further ado, let's get on with the video, guys. Hey YouTube, what is up? If you're new here, hi, my name is Sophia, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back to my channel, guys. How are you? Okay, so let's just get started. I don't want this video to be super long. I just wanted to do like this really nice holiday wearable you know, glam, and I want to do something a little bit different. Eyeshadow palette that we are going to use is the e.l.f. Bite Size Quad Shadows, and this is in the shade Berry Bad. So this is how it looks like right here, and we're just gonna probably just be working with this color and maybe this color, we shall see. And yeah, we're gonna do like a pop of green underneath the eyes with a bold red. I think that's a really good look, something different. So first thing first, oh look guys, I just wanted to show you guys my reindeer earring. Getting in the holiday spirit. Well, I'm trying to at least anyways. So let's hurry up and do this look. So I'm taking my NYX blending brush in 16. I don't know if they have this brush anymore because I got this in the NYX store 4 years ago. So I'll see if I could find it and link it down below. But yeah, this is like an old brush and I really like it. So we're gonna go in with the deepest shade right here. And then we're gonna start buffing it out just above the crease area. So we're just gonna take this right here. Tap off the excess. And then start working it in the crease area. Just buffing it out. And we're just going to keep working and building up on the color. Because this brush is so fluffy, it's really controlling the amount of product that you put into your eye crease or just above the crease. So we're just building up the color and then we're just buffing out the edges at the same time. So you see how I'm putting more emphasis in the outer corner? That's where you want majority of that product, but you're still buffing it out as much as you can. And we're just bringing this all the way up just below the brow bone. So do you see that fade? That's how you want it to be. Okay, so this is how the blend's supposed to look like. Now we're gonna take a flat brush like this. So we're just gonna take this color again with a flat brush. We are just gonna place it all over the lid. Now we are gonna go in with this color right here, and then we're gonna place it just on top of the lids. So we're just going to take some using the same brush, and then we're just going to tap it all over the lids, just on top. You could wet the brush if you want to. I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take my Milani's Make It Last spray and wet my brush so it could pick up that pigment. Yep, way better. Now we're gonna go in with the e.l.f. glitter, liquid glitters, and this is in ColourPop, and we're gonna place that right on top of that shimmer, and we're gonna go in with that same brush again. Why not? I don't like just putting it on. I like taking a brush and just tapping it all over the lid. It just gives me better control, and it allows me to spread out that glitter, that liquid glitter, all over easily. That makes sense. Obviously you could just, you know, put that straight from the, you know, applicator, but I just like using a brush. It just makes it look more natural, spreads it around, which I like. Take any mascara that you want. The mascara I've been using is the Maybelline Sky High. I did a review on this a few videos back, so check it out. If you guys scroll down, you'll definitely see it. I'm gonna be placing falsies, so it doesn't really matter what mascara you use. We just prep the lashes because we want our lashes to blend with the falsies and some. Okay, so the lashes that I am going to be using is my Salon Perfect lashes in 672. These are one of my favorite drugstore lashes. It just looks amazing on. So let me put on these lashes, finish off my face, and then we're gonna finish off the eye look. So give me 1 second, guys. So the foundation that I use obviously is my Milani's Green Queen foundation in the shade 440 Golden Hazelnut, and the concealer that I use is my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in 410 Almond. So these are the two products I use, and I prime my face with the Jelly Pop. That's it. And then right now I set my face with the honey translucent powder from Laura Mercier. Now if you guys want to see how I apply it, check out my last video. I will link it down below. It's a full detail, full makeup type video, so you guys can see how I apply it. But I apply the same way with a brush. Blend out the concealer with a concealer. It's the same thing, so you guys are not missing much. Okay, so now we're gonna go back in with the eyes. Let me just zoom in a little bit so you guys can see what's going on. Now I'm just gonna take my NYX jumbo pencil. So I'm just gonna take like a little small brush right here, detailed brush. Take some from the top, and we're just going to smudge it on my lower lash line, because I don't have a green liner. The green liner that I usually use is nowhere to be found. We're just going to use a white base and then just put a green eyeshadow just on top. I'm gonna take this small little brush like this, and then we're gonna go in with a green color. So I'm gonna be taking my e.l.f. Time J. Kessa palette, and I'm going to be taking this green shade right here. You can take any green shade or any pop of color that you want. This is in the shade Peaky, actually. Boom, let's mix Peaky and Tank. So this is Peaky and Tank. We're gonna mix those two colors in, and it's gonna give me like this really nice Christmas tree type green that I think that'll be dope. This is definitely for a girl who wants to stand out for the holidays. And not only that, but since we're wearing masks, eye makeup is like, for me anyways, is essential, because, you know, that's the first thing people will see is your eyes, right? We're gonna take the Infallible Fresh Wear Matte Full Coverage Powder, and then we're just going to set the entire face. As we're setting the face, we're removing the translucent powder. Morphe's Trailblazer Bronzer. Love this bronzer, so pretty. Spiced Rose from Milani. It's like a nice toasty, warm blush, which looks really nice. So it looks like this, so pretty. See how nice that is? Just like nice, and the little goes a long way with this blush. So let's take the e.l.f. Gleam and Glow palette. This is in the shade Dark. So this is in their shade Dark. We're gonna go in with this one right here. So I don't put a lot of highlighter anymore. That's pretty much as far as I will go. Love this palette. This palette is like only $10. I just realized that I use mostly e.l.f. for the core products in my face. Now we're gonna go in with this really nice gold color right here, and then we're gonna place it just on top. Just on top. I love it. It's like a nice gold color. I'm gonna go back in with this color right here, and then we're gonna place it right in the inner eye ducts of the eye. Very nice. So this is the look so far. So we're gonna do lips. So we're gonna do the Ultimate Slim lipsticks from Maybelline. I did a review on them and I actually loved them. So let's do that. We are going to take a liner, and I'm taking the Morphe Linda liner. So it's like a nice deep red color right here. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with my Maybelline Ultimate Slim lipstick in More Ruby, and we're just gonna place that all over the lips as well. Okay, so this is the entire look. So this is my holiday glam look, and I really love it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. It came out nice and it was super easy. And then the one thing that I love about this entire face is that it's affordable. So I love that. And guys, if the green is really throwing you off and you're not into that, you could just smoke out the bottom with like brown, or you could just use a black liner and call it a day. I just want to wish you guys happy holidays, a Merry Christmas. I will see you guys in a few days with another video. Bye guys.